Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I am showing how to convert text to a mesh and create clean topology in Blender. This is the default Blender scene. First, we delete the default cube. Now press Shift A and add a text object. Let's zoom in so we can edit it. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Delete the default text and type your own text. Here I am typing E. After editing, press Tab again to go back to object mode. Next, let's make the text solid. Go to Object Data Properties, open the Geometry section and increase the extrude value to give the text some thickness. Now let's turn on the wireframe view. Go to Object Data Properties, open Viewport Display and enable wireframe so we can clearly see the topology. Next, convert the text to a mesh. Make sure the text object is selected. Then right click and choose Convert to Mesh. To create a cleaner topology, go to Modifier Properties, click Add Modifier and choose Remesh from the Generate section. Select Sharp and uncheck Remove Disconnected. Increase the octree depth to 6. You can also adjust the scale value depending on your model. Here the value is set to 0.7. And that's it. This is how you can convert text to a mesh and create clean topology in Blender. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to the channel. More Blender tutorials are coming soon.